Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. We've got a very beautiful and unique listing to show you guys today on the brokerage market. This one right here is a 2023 Highfield Sport 660. Beautiful boat, extremely well equipped, versatile, comfortable. This boat would thrive in just about any application. As you can see, you've got the Tohatsu outboard, 4-stroke with 140 horsepower, aft bench seat, twin captain's leaning chairs, console seat up in the front, bow cushion. This rib has 6 air chambers, 3 port and 3 starboard. It's got the tow sport arch up top. As you can see, the bimini is connected to that, giving you lots of shade where you need it most. Back in the cockpit, courtesy lighting, speakers, white powder coating, stainless. Boat located in southeastern North Carolina here. Very popular overseas. It's a quick exterior walkthrough. I'll hop up and show you guys the interior. Quick look at the dash here. You've got your switches for lightings and pumps. Tilting helm, hydraulic steering, cable shift and throttle to Tohatsu command. Got your battery switch down here, as well as a 12-volt port. Digital Tohatsu information panel. Garmin GPS. Upgraded sonar as well, transducer. We've got 2 USB ports. Speaker, fire extinguisher port. Beautiful upholstery on this boat. Just everything you touch feels of quality. Into the forward hatch. Notice that this is where the fuel fill is. Carbon canister, easy replacement if ever need servicing. Anchor storage here. You notice that all of these snap into place, but if you don't need them, you've still got C-deck underneath. Another anchor locker up front. Pop-up cleats, as well as the anchor line roller. Nav lights, port and starboard. As you can see, the console is offset to the starboard just a little bit. Allows you more room to walk through on the port side. More storage beneath here, as well as access to the bilge and the rigging. This is a freshwater holding tank right here, and the hose goes up to the swim platform. You've got your pump right there, easy access, fuel water separator, primer ball, battery, and you can see all the way back to the transom and the engine bolts. Very clean boat, very little use on it. Like I said, it's a 2023 model. Really good support everywhere you go on the boat. There's grab handles up and down both sponsons. Handles for when you're sitting back here. You've got a table, gas assisted shocks there. Really holds some weight. You've got your scupper plugs tied onto the lifting points of the boat. We've got 2 in the back here and 2 up in the bow. More storage underneath the leaning post. Currently it's got all the brand new life vests in there. Got a mesh liner for any loose articles when you're running. Huge access here. Got your ditch bag, extra lines, wiring, back of the dash, rigging, fuse panel, all your wiring, hydraulic, hoses for the steering. Very impressive layout and configuration on this boat. This boat is kept on its trailer. The trailer is included with the sail. As you can see, we're inside of an airplane hangar. So this boat is remaining very clean, out of the sun, out of the salt air, out of the elements. Just a quick look at the swim platform and the transom here. Like I said, we've got handles pretty much everywhere you go. For when you're boarding on the ladder, you got a handle here, got another handle on the other side. You've got cleats in both port and starboard in the corners. You've got handles on the end, more handles and cleats. 4-step fold down ladder. This is the freshwater tank and shower for when you're getting out of the water, you need to rinse off. Really sporty, sleek, and tactical boat right here. Lots of first responders use these kinds of boats all over the world. Highfield is certainly one of the nicest manufacturers of ribs out there. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Be happy to talk to you about this boat. Again, this is a 2023 Highfield Sport 660. This boat also has a full mooring cover for when it's not stored indoors. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.